that's going on YouTube. Left and reverse. Day 2 technically of this vlog. Yesterday was like a real quick, like I wanted to show you guys the bumper. Back again with another vlog. You know, T3G, although no T3G-ness.
Clothes are in the wash.
Yeah, whatever. So we're doing another mod to the Honda. Video coming soon. I'm gonna try to not show that on camera right now, but I have to show something, and I think we both agree on this.
Listen,
the fact that this is a 2014 car.
This is a 4-year-old car.
And I bought it at the end of 2014. I bought it in September.
Right. So let's say it was manufactured mid-2014.
Right.
So we're just coming up on 4 years.
Right.
This is a crucial element of the car.
Yeah.
This is a lifesaver, literally.
I mean, essentially, yeah.
And 4-year-old car. This is what we're dealing with.
That's just insane. And I clean my cars. Like, I take them through the wash. I make... That's just so much rust. That's... I can't even...
More than is acceptable for certain.
Yeah, like, I mean, a little bit, sure, but... Like, that on the edges there by the welds, I'd be fine, okay? If it was that... But look at that. That is, like, almost the...
It's basically every weld point.
Yeah. That's insane. I couldn't believe it. So...
And the messed up thing is that's not even human error.
No.
Because the body is spray painted by machines.
Right.
So
that tells me material shit.
Materials.
Which is god awful.
Yeah.
I can't believe it's... Even in 2014, I can't believe that we couldn't figure out how to get materials on the back here that doesn't do that.
That's terrible.
That's just insane. Oh well, it is what it is.
Right.
We'll fix it. On that's horrific. I still can't get over that. I know being a dead horse, but wow, talk about rust on a bumper. Here we are in Rockford, Illinois. I don't know if you guys know where that is. Not the greatest city in the country, but the forest preserve that I'm in, beautiful for getting pictures of cars. I did my nephew's bike here as well. Also drone footage. Very nice as well. And on top of that, they have very nice roads going along, not in the forest preserve, because they're like 20 miles per hour. You don't want to be speeding in the forest preserve. There's sometimes people walking. Right now, there's literally one set of people here, and there was like 2 other cars parked further down. So it's not like it's busy, but you don't want to be stupid. But however, surrounding the forest preserve, there are some roads that are barely used at all, and can be quite fun. There's actually a bridge. I'm hoping to get a drone footage off of that, and we'll see if I get it in here. If I do, it'll probably be this next shot. Okay, so I just got done getting the footage that you already saw of the bridge that I was talking about. It's just really cool here. And it's great because you can actually pull off in the forest preserve that's right next to it and get a good drone shot, so you don't have to be on the side of the road. And if you're wondering what the hell are you doing in a town that's an hour away from you, I'm visiting my nephew. It's his birthday. Shout out to my nephew, happy birthday. But that's gonna get loud. It's gonna get real loud. But while he's getting some tattoos. And so while he's doing that, I figured I'd record the rest of I'm actually right now, as we speak, you're probably going to see this after that one comes out, but I was recording the final footage of the new taillights that I installed with the new spoiler, with the lip spoiler that comes on these cars. So I was getting a little bit of a final like showpiece footage, but then I was like, well, while he does all that, I'm going to check out these roads, see how far I can go and what they look like. Right now it's just a straight farm road. I want to see if there's more than just straight roads, if there's actual curvature. There is one road down here, but it's not that curvy, and there's houses around it, so I don't want to mess around, although the speed limit is 55. Alright, so here we are on the road. Now this is just a quick one. This one doesn't have much mileage, but it's about 45 here, and you can enjoy this section very nicely because there's a few curves in it. more than the S section. But then we turn left here and we go across that awesome bridge view. Old Subaru WRX in front of me, wagon, hatchback, whatever you want to call it. Looks like it's, I don't see that it's got a, looks like a stock exhaust. Oh, but there's that Subaru rumble I love. Here 55 miles per hour, that's a lot of fun. And it drops down to 50, so over there it's 55. Well, technically there is no speed limit, but 55 is the speed that you're supposed to know about. It's that time, dude. It's that first.
It's the first of the year.
First Supercar Saturdays. Now we just actually found out they're no longer at the other location. So
Bolingbrook's too rich for the kind of noise that some of these populiers like to make.
Yeah, so we're not going to be over there anymore, but we'll see what happens with that in the next one. However, this is pretty nice. Beautiful day.
Gorgeous day.
Beautiful day.
Perfect temperature.
We're going to check out, see what. Oh, by the way, T3G Media, as always. The new design is out, as I've been saying. It's linked in the description.
It's a good shirt.
It is a good shirt. I like it. I like it a lot.
Collaborative design.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check out some stuff, and let's see what they got. Supercar Saturdays, a lot of fun as always. Cars started leaving a little early this time.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's 11 now. It's supposed to run till 12, and like,
Yeah.
I'd say half the show's gone.
Yeah, like by 10, people were like out of there, so that was weird. Where'd you take us?
I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Egg Harbor or Egg something.
Egg something.
It's like a pancake house.
What
I think this is Hanover Park.
Hanover Park. Egg something in Hanover Park. We're gonna go eat. So that's what we're doing now. We are leaving Import Face-Off right now, but since I didn't start this by saying, hey, we're at Import Face-Off, why don't I go ahead and let you watch some of that footage right now. that's that. So that's it for this video. As always, I don't end my videos when I should, and so I'm doing it when I'm editing. If you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit of everything going on. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Tell me why. Subscribe for more videos. New mod video coming out after this one, guaranteed. It is the exhaust. Stay tuned for that. I will say this: it went good and also went not so good. See you in the next one.